High dynamic range (HDR) photography captures a wide range of tone, color, and detail in a photo, whilst reducing blown-out highlights and crushed shadows, resulting in a visually striking and well-balanced image. We will select our bracketed shots of the same scene, without any edits applied. The correct exposure: underexpose to capture the highlights, and then overexpose to capture the shadows. Right-click on the images, and go up to Photo Merge and HDR, or press Command+H on a Mac, or Control+H in Windows. Use a tripod or faster shutter speeds to avoid movement between exposures. Auto Align will align the images and crop any uneven edges. Auto settings will apply what the auto feature does in the basic panel to enhance the combined exposures. Clicking on the image will zoom in. Deghost helps correct where objects have moved between the exposures and appear unnatural. Show Deghost Overlay will reveal the area affected. Select an appropriate amount. Create Stack will group all images used into a stack with the new HDR image on top. When merged, a new DNG file is created and will reside in the same folder on your drive as the other photos used to create it. Pressing Auto on our normal exposure and comparing it with our HDR image will show the difference high dynamic range can make versus a normal exposure. The normal exposure photo is showing blown-out highlights in the sunlight, but the HDR image has more balanced tones. In the darker areas there is more noise in the normal exposure than in the HDR image. I hope this helped you. Thank you for watching.